Alright, today we're gonna see how to import airfoil coordinates into SolidWorks. First, let's go to this website, airfoiltools.com. Now we need to search for the airfoil we need. For example, NACA 4412. Let's go to search. That's our airfoil. Now it's time to get the coordinates. So that file, that's what we need. Copy those numbers into an Excel file like this. Now we need to convert, so it goes to data, text to columns, and convert. Now remove the first row and add all zeros to the third row. Those are our X, Y, and Z coordinates. Save the file as a text. Text file right here. Save it. Then open the file into SolidWorks. Go to Insert, Curves, X, Y, and Z curves, browse, and look for your text file. Here we go. And once you're happy, press OK, and you will see your airfoil. There you go. Now from this curve we have to create the sketch. So go to one of the planes, sketch, convert entities, and now we have to close this curve. As you can see, we have a hole right here and we have to close it. So just for the purpose of this video, we're gonna draw a straight line. Now the airfoil is closed, and now you can create your wing. For example, let's do an extrusion. There you go. That's our wing. Choose the length of the wing you want. Let's do right here. We're happy with that and press OK. That's our wing, a 3D wing starting from a 2D airfoil coordinates. Hope you guys like it.